So yeah, if you're wanting to get out of this cold weather right now, you should book it. Book it now.
Sure, it's a big boat.
It's a big boat.
Yeah, the weather right now would be great for like one of those, like Alaskan cruises. The Caribbean cruises, definitely a much different vibe. The weather back home is wonderful right now. We're seeing clear skies, lots of sunshine. It is a little bit brisk out there. It's 39 degrees for Grants Pass. In fact, most of us inland are still in the 30s, even seeing some 20s, 24 for Christmas Valley, but along the coast it feels a lot different with temperatures in the 50s. So if you're headed out for lunch this midday, a heavier jacket for inland spots, maybe just a light jacket would do along the coast. Let's go ahead and show you what happens a little bit later today with Stormcast. We stopped this around 5 p.m. We stopped this around midnight, and you can see that Stormcast is trying to bring some showers on shore, and there are other models that suggest that maybe we could have a few light showers on shore, but I'm thinking most of us will stay dry for today, including definitely within the Rogue Valley. Dry, sunny, and seasonal, which means that we'll end up having some light jacket weather when it's all said and done. So for today, again, sunny and seasonal, will be in the upper 40s to the east of the Cascades, 40s and 50s for our west side valleys, and then near 60 along the coast in Curry County. And then for tonight, we'll have still mostly clear skies, could have, remember, just a sprinkle or two along the coast. But for the most part, mostly dry, mostly clear, which means that we'll see the return potentially of some more fog into our west side valleys of southern Oregon. Also, it's going to be pretty cold once again overnight. Teens to the east of the Cascades, 20s and 30s for our west side valleys, middle 40s along the coast in Curry County. You have to protect the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing once again for inland spots tonight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's forecast is looking pretty similar to today, as we'll have mostly sunny skies, a very small chance for a shower along the coast, but then after that we have some pretty significant chances for wet weather. We're going with, at the very least, medium winter weather impacts from Thursday all the way through Sunday, a very active stretch, but we're really honing in on Friday and Saturday. It's those days in particular in which we're expecting some heavy rainfall, even some thunderstorms, especially along the coastline. Snow levels have started to trend a little bit lower, now down to 2,500 feet to 4,000 feet and above, which means that the bulk of the travel impacts are likely going to be above 4,000 feet, especially up in the Cascades. So we can bank on travel impacts at this point, but the devil's in the details in terms of how much snowfall we're actually going to get. And we'll definitely have a lot more to say about that as we get more model data into the Stormwatch 12 Weather Center. This is a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have a very small chance for showers over the next couple of days, and then rain and thunderstorms looking likely starting on Thursday. For Siskiyou County, dry for today, dry for tomorrow, and then we'll have a chance for not only rain, but also some snow showers in the mix for Thursday and Friday. And then snow levels going up to around 4,000 feet as we head into Saturday, which means that it'll likely transition back to just rain for portions of Siskiyou County. But for the east side, I'm thinking at the very least we have a mix into Saturday and Sunday, then just transitioning to just rain for Monday. For the Cascades, a lot of impacts on the roadways, especially for Diamond Lake Junction and Lake of the Woods. I have a feeling that we're likely going to see some chain requirements up that way. And then for the Rogue Valley, dry over the next couple of days as well. Then showers looking likely starting on Thursday and beyond.